In front of me is REALME C73 and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by finding and opening Sound Recorder app. Now hit agree in the pop-up and allow in all the other ones. Before recording, you can click on this gear icon on the left and operate all of those options however you wish to. When you're ready, go back and by tapping on this red button at the bottom in the middle, start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same middle button. To add a bookmark, unpause it and click on the left one. And to end it and save it on the right one. Now to access your recording, turn off recorder and click on this button with 3 lines located on the right. Then click on it to listen. To manage it, go back and hold it. Then use all of those options at the top right corner. You can send it by clicking on this one. You can click on those 3 dots over here and pick one of those options, like rename. Or get rid of it by clicking on bin icon and hitting allow in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!